Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Deprived Scheduled Caste certificate. First, confirm your eligibility based on government guidelines. Next, collect all required documents such as your birth certificate, proof of residence, and any existing caste proofs. Make sure these documents are current and valid. Finally, accurately fill out the application form, paying close attention to all sections to avoid any delays in processing. Now, let's prepare your documents. You'll need a valid identity proof, like your Aadhaar card or a voter identification card. For proof of residence, a recent utility bill or a ration card showing your current address will work. Additionally, you must provide evidence of your caste, which could be a parent's existing caste certificate or a report from a local inquiry confirming your status. The next step is submitting your application. You can usually do this by visiting your local district magistrate's office or a designated government service center. Many regions also offer an online portal for submission, which can be very convenient. Remember to attach all your prepared documents and pay the necessary application fee, which is often a nominal amount, to finalize your submission. After submission, keep track of your application using the reference number provided. You can often check the status online or by contacting the issuing office. The certificate is usually processed and issued within 30 to 45 days. Once you receive it, you can access various government benefits and schemes. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.